amajani kurwase company ya Keteba echumbia cancelled egati bintu binde binge wigo mkonya bali chirangiche company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwase company ya MRM aywale ayechi size ao nabego ne chirangi ao mkonya bali black sheets egati bintu binde binge inyura nka mbabwa tobokoreri omu yabuna bono uyebo bosombi gose transportation mbabwa tobokoreri wa forklift asibego bokoreri wa which customer care buri obwebirengo bigoro totigara magega agerera rero bwikumbolere ibintu biga aserigurira mu buko asamange totalere asinsemo cha Ouru complex eyuerange namagacho asafaricom wigo no tukutuka sakro ku JM Towers angena credit bank ime yomuchobo songo bakere simgwe transit number chabo 0111 161 500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Marago wengiane ndio mwancho muligiriria wa Getembe TV. Karibu sana se Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chabo na maragoba na nche Matildah Obaigwa kubwa tirana na nyabuke ven kura sinsemo area ayebe manyererio. Karibu sana sangana ntoso mutandao Facebook Obaigwa mutandao lia o YouTube west masemo gutonyora na Getembe TV na nekirongo cha Ekeonga niko bono mugasorero nigo ikyamagia Jubilee kyanyare kubarika babwatani abaye kura asensemo kusekura se county ya Tana River na gukwana chinge kicho nigo bono oyore omo nyakirogo asikyamekyo nere omoske Vincent Kemosi asensemo yaye anyare kurarya buna kyamekyo nigo kegenderete kweroberia na kwene kibuna kyanyare kubeka abarwanirira kura se chinsemo nabo igochi wodi chonsi ime yense ya Kenya buna nchire mu yokweroberia ase obochori obonene buri posio.
As you are aware, you are all aware that now we are almost now on the home stretch. Few days left to the general elections next year. In the next 1 or 2 weeks, we will be exactly 1 year to the next general elections. Jubilee Party is prepared to go to the next general elections. You know, we have a candidate, His Excellency Okengo who is our presidential candidate. And what we have now come up with, especially coming up or as a resolve from the NEC meeting that we had yesterday for the last 2 days, it was a roadmap we have come up with, that we have come with a work plan for the next 1 year. Among the issues that we discussed or we have agreed, which is also related to what we are doing here today, is to roll out our campaigns in various regions, including Tana River, where we have engaged the leaders here. And we have agreed that in the next 3 weeks, we will be having a visit to Tana River for 2 days, where we'll be able to engage the citizens of Tana River and also the aspirants of various positions in Tana River in readiness for the 2027 general elections. We will also be rolling the same to different areas, coming or arising from the roadmap that we set yesterday, and the party will also be able to review its program on monthly basis as we head to the next general elections. So today it's our happiness to have received the leaders have said who have defected or who have joined us from different parties, and in earnest or in joining us, this shows that Jubilee Party continues to grow day after day, and we are prepared to join other leaders or to join other people who will be contesting in various positions in the next general elections.
Na chinga kecho yokorige kirogo kyo bunge kwa Nyaribari chache kaunti ya Kisii nere Dr. Joseph Virundo asensemo yae nigo abolirie abarayibonse kurwa sorogongoro gusi ko mubwatesia Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i nabo igo komento bolito asese bali yo komusuguma nalio arache kwenyorera gitalie kenene ase serikali enya egocha na chinga kecho niganyale gukondera siasa ya bunge ya Nyaribari chache
kwa Dr. Joseph Virundo ukaribia bajumbe bwa Nyaribari chache 2027 twarenge mukutano kadhaa ukonyara gusira uyo ito Fred Okengo Matiang'i asiganga yayo kuribia bwa mwense 2027 nandense yarolekanire bono situikire eseye mutua 2027 mugusibwa NCP utogosororanga twari kubege ntekemo kirense yabwatani kirumonda akali kumusira so kirumonda akulise so yono iga mpaka tomo echinguru so that next year 2027 onyole nabwate nguru nono gwikaransa 20 tuikansa no opposition onyole nabwata abantu bamwaboro nturi gukwananga ntubwate chiguru kabisa ntubwate DCP ntubwate Wiper ntubwate Linda Mwananchi ntidode yo mubuzi yonde bwens as a decision ya bekuru bono iga into 20 mpaka tora abajubi ukwane kurujubi nakio some of us tokonya gotebanga twasoroira abantu twale sabari na lyalanyore chinguru alanyare kuikiremeze ya sabantu bandi bakwana yo musko ito muske unatongi okorire gaze matuka mange to supported ko 2013 we supported you 2017 2022 nje buna Virundo I supported you muske tongi 2027 tiagutama tiagutanga ya Virundo narabunga ujo gondo marenga mapema wachakire komyo ira na nyomba kutokwanire gaiga Fred bunako be president unakorwa Nyaribari nayo rabo minister so bono again take gego chingia 2027 esabali egwa gete atuye yogo chikumirana na bali batata gete Fred ko umurayi enseye tiakoragera naba bisa
na omunyakiro wo bw'ikiombe gitenerete amagana y'obuchori me agency ya Kenya kia IEBC nere Erastus Edong Ethekon asensemo yaye ni gubono anyaje kutabuna ekiombe kyo kiariganiri bwikirano cyakone kibuna obuchori bwa korekanire asinchirere yobwasioku obuchori bw'umwaka 2027 kaukana umugasorero nigo bwiganyara kwerera buna nigo baligeti inchire yo konyora chibese chiseno kurwasi serikali iliyogo cyakone kibuna nonye amangana yobwerania wamangana gose ukwirukyo kwa matangazo igoro yobochori obu tago chigosiekere rusko no nyangake kintaburire abakenya tibatwara obwoba ikiagera kiregento nkebe teneni.
And in our engagement with the Parliament and Treasury, we are saying IDC requires money or funding for us to engage with stakeholders, for us to invest in communication, both getting the gadgets, getting the right people to run our communication, so that at any particular time we're able to give Kenyans the correct information and to clarify certain information that may not be true that are likely to affect the ability of the Commission to discharge its mandate, which is to conduct elections, supervise elections, and of course referenda. So it's in that respect that we are saying, as we move towards 2027, we will improve our capacity to communicate, our abilities to communicate. We will invest in the right tools. We will invest in the right personnel, but also as a cost-saving measure, we will also, that's why we partnered with the Media Sector Working Group, which brings together the Kenya Union of Journalists and the Editors Guild and the media owners. So through that kind of partnership, we would be able to disseminate the correct information at the correct time to Kenyans. And so we believe we will continue partnering with the media, even during our elections.
na umawaziri omukuru otenerete amangana agenda ime yensi ya Kenya nere omuske Aisha Jumwa nigo rituko ria rero anyari koraria bene kwirusanania na bwigo gutika kuba umubwatani na bwigo murai ase ekiama kia UDA kaukano mugasorero nigatebire buna nigo chakiri gutwara guse nigo arachie koraria igetambukiro kia ekende asa mutukale busio kia gesiasa engana atebire buna teburukanetina siasa ndionsi korende korengana na marorae na bwigo ababwatani korwa ase orugongo oro akorwa.
Aisha Jumwa Karisa Katana is no longer a member of the United Democratic Alliance, UDA. This decision is not an act of anger. It is an act of concern. It is a decision born out of love for Kilifi, faith in its people, and unshakable belief that our county deserves leadership that listens, serves, and delivers. As we move through this transition, Wananchi and the public will play a key role in shaping the next steps. Your voice, your guidance, and your expectations will inform the direction we take. This movement belongs to you. My fellow residents of Kilifi, I urge you to remain peaceful, united, and hopeful. Let us reject division, embrace one another, and continue this journey with dignity and courage. As your leader, I have chosen to stand with you. I will continue to listen to your voices, defend your democratic choices, and protect your right to determine your own.
Wancho muligireria gutikana nayo ekiro aborokyo kurati skuru ao bagenderete gukorerwa amasabo ucha gwikaransira matemo manene ayebirasi ao nigubono eskuru y'abanyaruka ya utumishi me county ya Nakuru nero ya Nyara gukora umuyiga omonene buko basebera aborokyo bonsi bari barati gwikaransa matemo amanene ayiga nigo ago korekana emiti nyebere magiga yeskuru yoko ya nabo igaborokyo Ikomi na batano mo usiria amagimabo ase gati aborokyo wabo batano na babere konyaberikirie bari uchiwikaransira amatemo ayega na igati yaburai baikira naroro ngamo nakoro asensemo yoborindi kuba muno yoromo konyi ebu inspector general nere Eliud Lagat oyonyara gwikira naroro no bwikwana na chira serikali yarire gucyase abanyaruka abo kwaneke buna banyare gukora amatemo abo asinchira iri yabene.
It is in the formative stage. This is the best period that you can guide your child in this age of 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 years, which you can easily do and get the correct results in the near future. The society, the world looks upon us, and the world and nature will actually condemn you if you didn't play your role as a parent. So as we come closer to this function, I want to assure you that we are going to support you 100% Utumishi girls. And as your patron, I want to give you my assurance. And as a parent, I want to give you my assurance that issues to do with your coming back as fast as possible, I will want to journey with you pamoja. Tuko pamoja? So I'll be there, do your part, and I will again do my part. The school captain requested some, almost what, 3 items? So I need to respond. What is the worst can happen if I don't respond? You will reprimand me. The beauty, you are all my daughters, so you can't do that. All right? So we will have a discussion on what you have requested, but I think what needs to come very fast and very soon is the issue of
Agora se siasa hi kiama kia ODM ni govono omo rai we kiama ikyo musineta we county ya Siaya Mosque Oburu Odinga anyarire korare bune kiama ikyo tikie guchikomerwa na kiama kia UDA asate vire bune serikali ya broad based nigo egenderete gutwara chingwana na bwigo gukora ukuigwana na barachi guso asetebe asobutori obonene bole bosi asate vire bune kiama ikyo nigo kire imara.
The policies of ODM must be very clear and must be reflected in the manifesto of the next government. And some of you said ODM cannot be swallowed. We are not going to allow our party to be swallowed. Our party will be distinct. We shall continue to be one as ODM, and we shall come out of this affair much stronger than what we were. When Moi thought he had swallowed us and we killed our party, and we killed our party, NDP, we came out much stronger in LDP. And therefore, we cannot be swallowed. If anybody is thinking of that, that person is daydreaming. And I want you people in Turkana to know that when we are going to negotiate now on a political platform, we are going to negotiate something called zoning. It is not just resources, it is also strategy. Resources, you can throw money at people, and you throw it at people and you don't win. Wananchi watakula watasema nini chakula kwa huyu lakini kura kwa huyu. Yes, if you don't have
nabo no tukurire Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi bono muragoba ayo nayanda mangi gendera kuyemanya gwetera Getembe TV ase mitandao yetu yekerero na bwigo no yenyore gikoroga Chinsa ibire cia rero muragoba unyore muraivensi ya Kenya nere ngobwatukare ujumbe ya uchesaba Kenya gikoroga ensa emo ya rero muragoba gendera kunyora yo nayanda mangi gwetera Getembe TV area ne Matildah Obaigwa nyaboke ven korwa asense moye bimanyariro twara emaragoba entoerero.